Greetings, dear learners. Prepare yourselves for an enriching expedition into the realm of learning and delight with this video. In the following presentation, we will delve into the captivating realm of breeds of farm animals in agriculture and fishery arts, all within the framework of a self-paced learning experience. As you engage with the content, please prioritize your safety. May a sense of divine blessings accompany you unfailingly. Welcome, one and all, to the engaging world of the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5. Which breed of cattle is known for high milk production and is often used in dairy farming? Letter A, Angus. Letter B, Hereford. Letter C, Holstein. Letter D, Jersey. What is the primary purpose of Angus cattle? Letter A, dairy farming. Letter B, wool production. Letter C, meat production. Letter D, dual purpose. What breed of pig is known for its tender and flavorful meat and has black color with white points? Letter A, Yorkshire. Letter B, Hampshire. Letter C, Duroc. Letter D, Berkshire. Which sheep breed is recognized for its fine wool production and adaptability to various climates? Letter A, Merino. Letter B, Suffolk. Letter C, Dorset. Letter D, Rambouillet. Which chicken breed is specifically bred for rapid meat production? Letter A, Rhode Island Red. Letter B, Leghorn. Letter C, Plymouth Rock. Letter D, Cornish Cross. Please compare your selected answers with the answers listed in the answer key provided. If your chosen answer matches the one in the answer key, mark it as correct. After reviewing all the questions and answers, calculate your final score based on the number of correct answers. Point 3. How did you score? Did you achieve a high score? If yes, congratulations on a job well done. If not, don't worry. We will help you deepen your understanding through this video.
There are numerous breeds of farm animals, each with specific characteristics that make them well suited for various agricultural purposes. Here are some common breeds of farm animals across different species. Maraming mga lahi ng mga hayop sa bukid, bawat isa ay may mga tiyak na katangian na ginagawang angkop para sa iba't ibang layuning pang-agrikultura. Narito ang ilang karaniwang lahi ng mga hayop sa bukid sa iba't ibang uri. Cattle, baka, pigs, baboy, sheep, tupa, chickens, mga manok, goats, mga kambing. Cattle, there are many different breeds of cattle, each with its own purpose. Some popular beef cattle breeds include the following. Baka, maraming iba't ibang lahi ng baka, bawat isa ay may sariling layunin. Ang ilang mga tanyag na lahi ng baka ay kinabibilangan ng mga sumusunod. Holstein, known for high milk production, often used in dairy farming. Holstein, kilala sa mataas na produksyon ng gatas, kadalasang ginagamit sa paggawaan ng gatas. Angus, popular for beef production, known for marbled meat. Angus, sikat para sa produksyon ng karne ng baka, na kilala sa marmol na karne. Hereford, another beef breed, known for adaptability and good meat quality. Hereford, isa pang lahi ng baka, na kilala sa kakayahang umangkop at magandang kalidad ng karne. Jersey, small-sized dairy cattle, known for high butter fat content in milk. Jersey, maliit na laki ng dairy na baka, na kilala sa mataas na butter fat content sa gatas. Limousin, beef cattle breed with good meat yield and quality. Limousin, lahi ng baka na may magandang ani at kalidad ng karne. Pigs are raised for their meat and lard. Some popular pig breeds include the following. Baboy, ang mga baboy ay pinalalaki para sa kanilang karne at mantika. Ang ilang mga sikat na lahi ng baboy ay kinabibilangan ng mga sumusunod. Yorkshire, large, white pigs known for their meat quality and mothering abilities. Yorkshire, malaki, puting baboy na kilala sa kanilang kalidad ng karne at kakayahan sa pag-aalaga ng ina. Hampshire, black pigs with a white belt, popular for their meat characteristics. Hampshire, mga itim na baboy na may puting sinturon, sikat sa kanilang mga katangian ng karne. Direct, reddish-brown pigs with good growth rate and meat quality. Direct, mga baboy na mapupulang kayumanggi na may magandang rate ng paglaki at kalidad ng karne. Berkshire, black pigs with white points, known for tender and flavorful meat. Berkshire, mga itim na baboy na may mga puting punto, na kilala sa malambot at malasang karne. Tamworth, reddish-brown pigs, often raised for their hardiness and foraging abilities. Tamworth, mga baboy na mapupulang kayumanggi, kadalasang pinalalaki para sa kanilang tibay at kakayahan sa paghahanap. Sheep are raised for their wool, meat, and milk. Some popular sheep breeds include the following. Tupa, ang mga tupa ay pinalaki para sa kanilang lana, karne, at gatas. Ang ilang mga sikat na lahi ng tupa ay kinabibilangan ng mga sumusunod. Merino, known for their fine wool production and adaptability to various climates. Merino, kilala sa kanilang produksyon ng pinong lana at kakayahang umangkop sa iba't ibang klima. Suffolk, meat breed with excellent growth rate and meat quality. Suffolk, lahi ng karne na may mahusay na rate ng paglaki at kalidad ng karne. Dorset, used for both meat and wool, known for their ability to breed out of season. Dorset, ginagamit para sa parehong karne at lana, na kilala sa kanilang kakayahang magparami nang wala sa panahon. Rambouillet, dual-purpose breed, meat and wool, with good adaptation to various environments. Rambouillet, dual-purpose na lahi, karne at lana, na may mahusay na pagbagay sa iba't ibang kapaligiran. Hampshire, meat breed known for its distinctive black face and legs. Hampshire, lahi ng karne na kilala sa natatanging itim na mukha at binti nito. Chickens are one of the most common farm animals, and there are many different breeds of chickens. Here are some of the most popular chicken breeds. Ang manok ay isa sa mga pinakakaraniwang hayop sa bukid, at maraming iba't ibang lahi ng manok. Narito ang ilan sa mga pinakasikat na lahi ng manok. Rhode Island Red, dual-purpose breed known for meat and brown eggs. Rhode Island Red, dual-purpose na lahi na kilala sa karne at kayumangging itlog. Leghorn, egg-laying breed, known for its prolific egg production and white eggs. Leghorn, egg-laying breed, na kilala sa maraming produksyon ng itlog at puting itlog. Plymouth Rock, dual-purpose breed with good meat and egg production. Plymouth Rock, dual-purpose na lahi na may mahusay na produksyon ng karne at itlog. Cornish Cross, specifically bred for meat production, grows rapidly. Cornish Cross, partikular na pinalaki para sa produksyon ng karne, mabilis na lumalaki. Sussex, dual-purpose breed with good meat and egg production. Sussex, dual-purpose na lahi na may mahusay na produksyon ng karne at itlog. Goats. Goats are raised for their milk, meat, and hair. Some popular goat breeds include the following. Mga kambing. Ang mga kambing ay pinalaki para sa kanilang gatas, karne, at buhok. Ang ilang mga sikat na lahi ng kambing ay kinabibilangan ng mga sumusunod. Boar. The meat breed is known for its fast growth and good meat quality. Boar, ang lahi ng karne ay kilala sa mabilis nitong paglaki at magandang kalidad ng karne. Nubian, dairy breed with high butterfat content in milk and distinctive long ears. Nubian, dairy breed na may mataas na butterfat content sa gatas at natatanging mahabang tainga. Saanen, the dairy breed is known for its high milk production and adaptability. Saanen, ang dairy breed ay kilala sa mataas na produksyon ng gatas at kakayahang umangkop. Angora, known for its soft, luxurious mohair fiber. Angora, kilala sa malambot, marangyang hibla ng mohair. La Mancha, dairy breed with very small or no external ears, known for milk production. La Mancha, dairy breed na may napakaliit o walang panlabas na tainga, na kilala sa paggawa ng gatas. These are just a few examples of the many breeds of farm animals found around the world. Each breed has its own unique traits and characteristics that make them suitable for specific agricultural purposes. Ilan lamang ito sa mga halimbawa ng maraming lahi ng mga hayop sa bukid na matatagpuan sa buong mundo. Ang bawat lahi ay may sariling natatanging katangian at katangian na ginagawang angkop para sa mga partikular na layuning pang-agrikultura.
What is the main purpose of raising boar goats? Letter A. Milk production. Letter B. Meat production. Letter C. Wool production. Letter D. Hair production. Which breed of goat is known for its high milk production and distinctive long ears? Letter A. Boar. Letter B. Nubian. Letter C. Saanen. Letter D. Angora. What is the distinguishing feature of La Mancha goats? Letter A. Long ears. Letter B. Small size. Letter C. Adaptability. Letter D. No external ears. Which breed of cattle is popular for beef production and is known for marbled meat? Letter A. Holstein. Letter B. Angus. Letter C. Hereford. Letter D. Jersey. What is the primary purpose of Hampshire pigs? Letter A. Meat characteristics. Letter B. Meat quality. Letter C. Meat and lard. Letter D. All of the choices. Which breed of chicken is renowned for its prolific egg production and lays white eggs? Letter A, Rhode Island Red. Letter B, Leghorn. Letter C, Plymouth Rock. Letter D, Cornish Cross. Which breed of sheep is used for both meat and wool and is known for its ability to breed out of season? Letter A, Merino. Letter B, Suffolk. Letter C, Dorset. Letter D, Rambouillet. Which breed of pig is reddish-brown and is known for its good growth rate and meat quality? Letter A, Yorkshire. Letter B, Hampshire. Letter C, Duroc. Letter D, Berkshire. What is the primary purpose of Nubian goats? Letter A, meat production. Letter B, dairy production. Letter C, hair production. Letter D, wool production. Which breed of cattle is known for its adaptability and good meat quality? Letter A, Holstein. Letter B, Angus. Letter C, Hereford. Letter D, Jersey. Please compare your selected answers with the answers listed in the answer key provided. If your chosen answer matches the one in the answer key, mark it as correct. After reviewing all the questions and answers, calculate your final score based on the number of correct answers. Point 3. How did you score? Did you achieve a high score? If so, congratulations on a job well done. If not, don't worry. You can review this video to further enhance your understanding of the topic. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13. I hope you found our teacher Lumaban self-learning video enjoyable and informative. If you gained new knowledge from this video, we would greatly appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share it with your friends. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. We value your feedback. Thank you very much for watching our videos. We hope to see you again in our next video. May God bless you always. Welcome to the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.